Let's start with the fourth part of the automation or anywhere. So we have seen what is robotic process automation or RPA. Now let's try to understand what processes are relevant to RPA. RPA is a versatile, scalable technology that can be applied throughout the enterprise in a variety of industries. Top candidates for optimization with RPA are typically consistent and routine, high volume, prone to human error, limited in requiring a person to make decision, manual data entry, etc. In many RPA can in many cases RPA can bring immediate value to core business process, including payroll, employee status changes, new hire recruitment and onboarding, accounts receivable and accounts payable, invoice processing, inventory management, report creation, CRM data updates, software installation, data migration, vendor and onboarding, etc. etc. A virtual business assistant. We may think of RPA in the context of organization wide processes, but it can be applied as a personal productivity tool as well. Employee will be able to identify many opportunities for robotic process automation in their daily work where bots can assist. With RPA, employees are empowered to automate their more routine daily tasks regardless of technical expertise. This low barrier to entry enables employees across the enterprise to benefit from RPA, even if there isn't a source or intensive organization wide deployment. Furthermore, since all bots can be monitored and audited over a centralized observer server, it would still be able to manage bots in use while promoting flexibility in the organization for employees to deploy their own custom solutions. Having a bot as a de facto virtual business assistant can help employees offload time consuming routine tasks in favor of high impacted projects and elevating the customer experiences. Bridging integration gaps with RPA. One of the immediate benefits of robotic process automation is its ability to integrate systems where gaps previously existed. Enterprises that rely on legally legacy systems or third party external sites for everyday operations but currently do not have the resources or the means to integrate them using other methods can deploy bots to do so. Fast to deploy and easy to update, syncing data and processes without human intervention. Bots enable organizations to quickly deploy integrations that sync data and processes without human intervention, filling in gaps between systems or more complete end to end automation solutions. RPA is part of the digital transformation journey. RPA can be important tool in solving automation challenges and pushing organizations to grow into digital workplaces. However, it is just one part of an organization's digital transformation toolkit. Going beyond automating everyday repetitive tasks, RPA combined with traditional content services and business process management technologies can help organizations further maximize their potential as they may make most of their automation strategies. Robotic process automation is an ideal technology for reducing costs and increasing productivity. Whether optimizing end-to-end optimization, automation initiatives, or enabling employees to be more efficient in handling projects, RPA is a powerful addition to any business process automation platform. Life cycle, therefore, needs to be made clear to all the stakeholders. The life cycle of RPA doesn't have a defined structure, but in general, there are four strategies in RPA. They are analysis, development, testing phase, and deployment and maintenance. Analysis, identification of the business process for RPA development. That's the first step. Then development, fulfillment of requirements, And then testing phase, performance of quality checks. Then next is deployment and maintenance, which will in an ongoing job. So to deployment and maintenance of bots will carry on. Let's understand all stages individually. Analysis. Analysis is the beginning of the RPA life cycle. The business analyst team, along with the RPA architect, work together to come up with a plan as to why they need RPA and how it can be helpful to them. They use a developmental methodology and develop a strategy to automate tasks in order to eradicate manual work as much as they can. The RPA lead decides a timeline to put this plan to work after the paperwork and the rest of the formalities there for the development process. Development of the bot. The development team starts working on the requirements of the automation task depending on the kinds of automation required. There might or might not be coding involved. Usually there is no coding, but there can be exceptions. So a bot or internet bot, web bot, robot is a software application that runs automated tasks over the internet. Typically, bots perform tasks that are simple and repetitive, much of the faster than a person could. The testing phase, which is very important because testing highlights most of the problems or shortcomings, etc. So depending on the kind of automation developed and organization, the bot is tested either by the development or testing team itself or by a separate testing team, which is similar to the regular software testing. Deployment and maintenance. This is very important. Then after the successful development and testing of the bot, it is now ready for deployment. Once deployed, if there seems to be a problem, then it again undergoes checking by the development team and testing. Every time the bot is deployed, it undergoes maintenance and updating. Thank you.